Explain DNN working with sales forecast with Python library. 1. 5 input layers. 2. 4 hidden layers. 3 and 5 output layer. Also, define in the hidden layer how many neurons we should take. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. Here's a comprehensive explanation of DNN for sales forecasting with Python libraries, addressing the specified architecture and neuron count. Key libraries. TensorFlow or Keras, popular frameworks for building and training DNNs. NumPy, for numerical computations and array manipulation. Pandas, for data cleaning, manipulation, and analysis. Architecture. 1 input layer. 5 neurons, representing 5 input features, example past sales, promotions, seasonality, etc. 2 hidden layers. 4 hidden layers with a recommended starting point of 100 neurons each. Number of neurons can be adjusted through experimentation and hyperparameter tuning. Common activation functions, ReLU, rectified linear unit, 4 hidden layers. 3 output layer. 5 neurons, corresponding to 5 output values, example predicted sales for 5 different products or regions. Activation function, linear activation for numerical predictions. Import TensorFlow as TF. Hashtag create the model. Model equals tf.keras.sequential. tf.keras.layers.dense, 100, activation equals relu, input underscore shape equals 5, hashtag first hidden layer. tf.keras.layers.dense, 100, activation equals relu, hashtag second hidden layer. tf.keras.layers.dense, 100, activation equals relu, hashtag third hidden layer. tf.keras.layers.dense, 100, activation equals relu, hashtag fourth hidden layer. tf.keras.layers.dense, 5, hashtag output layer. Hashtag compile the model with appropriate loss and optimizer. Model.compile, loss equals mean underscore squared underscore error, optimizer equals atom. Hashtag train the model with your sales data. Model.fit, x underscore train, y underscore train, epochs equals 100, validation underscore data equals x underscore val, y underscore val. Hashtag make predictions on new data. Predictions equals model.predict, x underscore new. Key considerations. Data pre-processing, clean and pre-process sales data to ensure quality input. Hyperparameter tuning, experiment with different neuron counts, activation functions, and hyperparameters to optimize performance. Regularization, consider techniques like dropout or L1/L2 regularization to prevent overfitting. Evaluation, use appropriate metrics, example RMSE, MAE, to evaluate model accuracy. Remember, the optimal number of neurons in hidden layers is often problem-specific and determined through experimentation. Consider using techniques like cross-validation and grid search for hyperparameter tuning. Monitor model performance closely during training to avoid overfitting. Explanation. Each row of O represents a neuron in a layer. The number of OS in a row represents the number of neurons in a layer, 100 in this case. Arrows, visualize them between the layers, represent connections between neurons. Information flows from input to output through weighted connections. Hidden layers learn complex patterns in the data. Output layer produces final predictions. Thank you.